I a very young land summer we visit the Cusco and in Oaks and Aumei Sintri. In this city you can do many fun activities. You can all around the main school explore the old streets and visit Saksai Wama, which is a very beautiful and historic place. Ian can all take photos, learn about the Inca culture, and enjoy the view of the mountains. If you like adventure, you can go on short hikes or take a tour around the city. There are many needed to do, and the atmosphere is really nice and friendly.
Ông không ăn khói Cusco.